Got my old covered trailer here, and well, new trailers are so darn expensive, but as you can see, it's a little rough. The lights work good. I just did the lights not too long ago, but the floor in here is, well, garbage. It's still strong enough. It's just that this was our garbage trailer for such a long time. So I got some new weather resistant 3/4 inch. I think when I did this the first time I only used 1/2 inch. So I'm going to go ahead and try to push it back a little bit, have the bikes back a little bit and have all the gear up front, and then put a shelf in right there. I welded one spot in long time ago, probably up on the walls. I'll go ahead and put some eye bolts so I could hook, the hook side of the tie down, just to make it easier to tie stuff down. We'll see if I can go ahead and sandblast this. If I do it, it'd probably be best to do it with the floor out, just because then I could stand up straight, and that's one of the other negative things on this. So, all right, let's go. Friends, hey. Glad they're not in there. All right, floor's just temporarily put in because I went ahead and made this little guy to hold the ramp. So hopefully that will do good. Can only tell once we get a dirt bike in there. Wasn't too much work otherwise. Went ahead and put some eye bolts in there, and I was thinking about moving the whole bike back, where the bike's mounted backwards, but then I don't think we'll have enough tongue weight, so I think I'm going to put them back forward. I wanted them back a little bit more so I could go ahead and put the gear up front. Welded those guys in so I could put fuel tanks here. I'll go ahead and get in this bad boy. So right here's a tie down. Right, normally the front wheels will go here and have a board going across with those track system. But I was thinking, well, I'll go ahead and put it back here, and that will be great. Paint day, baby! Yeah. Going to paint this old trash trailer today. See what we got. Got the rims all ready to go. Spare tire included. Got to hang up these bad boys. Got it all prepped. It's not perfect, but it's just a trailer. Back all taped off. Wow. Boom. Alright. Unfortunately, pulled some freaking tape off. But it is what it be. Rims turned out real good. We finally got the trailer probably 98% done. I still have a couple things to do, like some seam sealer and stuff up top, some caulking. Anyway, this is what we got inside. I need to grab a bungee cord for this guy, 18-inch bungee cord those in. Got us a little bit of tool stuff. Other magnetic holders. Here's a lock, just chills right here. This tie down is to basically strap the door open when it's windy, or just to make sure it's not flying all over the place. Got a little hook down there I welded in. Strap it there. Let's go inside. see what we got. It's short, but that's okay. Just went with these little magnetic Doomahoo flashlights there, and they're okay. The magnet's not very strong, so that's pretty crappy, but these magnets are pretty good. Should be able to put a gear on there for each rider. Mounted up the spare tire on E-track system. Planned it just barely to throw the toolbox under there. Got our chair set up here. Boots and helmets could go up there, and obviously there's plenty of room down here for riding bag. So all in all, I think it turned out pretty fabulous. I'm sure you probably noticed, but the bikes will be a little bit further back. I'll let you know how the tongue weight is affected by that. It's pretty easy if I have to swap it back, no big deal. I think she turned out pretty good. Alright, just gotta go ahead and get some bikes in here. Probably not going to be in the video for that, but I'll take a picture and throw it on the Instagram. Till next time, get out, ride your bike.